Here we are at the Lee Valley Whitewater Centre, rafting, canoeing, kayaking. Let's take a look.
I've actually never been there before. You know that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think you can walk in
Four
here.
Seasons here. Come in, we're open. Oh my god, this is actually the first time I've even just walked it through the gate. It's crazy. Well, imagine that good idea because one, they don't have gates up.
There's no event on, so it's just open to the public today.
I don't want people thinking I'm just randomly filming them. Oh, I've never been here.
There's all the canoes out, guys.
We should come here one day, like do it, would you?
No.
I would, I've done it before, I was really scared. But it's cool. So look at that building, guys. That's a nice building. And then,
There must be competition or something going on over there today because they've got numbers on and that.
yeah. No idea. You've got some boys doing some play fighting. He's running like an anime character, what the hell? That won't talk much crap.
There's a nice cafe area and bar up the top there. It looks very nice. Ooh, let's climb up a little embankment here and we'll see what's going on.
Look at the ropes. Oh, so it's like a training bit.
Yeah, it's the rapids, isn't it? It's like rapids.
Oh, it's cool. I think that's Princess Shark. Yeah. Seems like it might be Princess Shark. Damn man, it looks like a lot of fun, don't you think? Look at the water as well, it's so nice and clean.
This is the Lee Valley Whitewater Centre for everybody out there. This is where they had the 2012 Olympics.
Do it, would you? Oh, I'm going to ask Jake if he wants it. I think
It's not my thing. It costs you. You have to pay. You go up on the walkway. You go up on the walk over and look down. It looks wicked, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But this will give people out there a little in-depth of it who haven't seen it in America and that. We're a bit tangled up over there at the moment. canoe enthusiast, I think this is the place you have to come. It's wicked. Woo!
If I came here though, it'd have to be in the nice room. It's fun, isn't it?
One come round there.
There's a few of them coming through now.
Jumping in.
Oh my god. Caught that on camera. Look, he's away. No stopping him.
He loves it.
That's why you've got these officials on the side to pull them straight out, look. Watching them when they come round.
Must happen quite a lot though, isn't it?
Just carries you off, doesn't it, the current?
It's so nice, don't it?
Looks fresh.
I don't want to video too much.
Like, you know? Yeah. Like, strike together. And you've got that action going on. Okay?
Well, they've been
I
capsized.
can't get into that because there are pumps in there, you see. They shouldn't be going back that way. See how easy it can just turn so quickly, can't it?
That was crazy.
They're just sitting there 1 minute and poof, they'll be gone. They're only sitting perched on them blow-up parts. Got a big one coming through here now.
Oh, God. Yeah, look how fast they're going. Oh, he just got slashed in the face.
They've got it all under control though. They've got all the officials along the sides with the floats and that, you know?
Yeah.
And they're straight onto it, they tip up. Can you imagine this? This is controlled. Can you imagine like out in Canoeing, a place like that where it is literally in the Rockies?
Yeah.
Like they do it in them streams and that, like, you know?
So one film, where did their boat go?
There's a guy in it and he's taking it back round. So they make their way back across now. We came over here, your mum and I, the day they were opening it, and the TV company was here. They were filming it. We saw it on TV that night. We was behind the camera, we didn't see us. But you imagine when they had all the competitors here for the Olympics, it must have been massive. It was on telly. And it was really something like, you know?
It's cool, like going from the Olympics, like right round the corner from us.
Yeah.
Like we're literally here.
He's getting some good shots. Look at his camera. But he's doing that for a Canoeing magazine or something. Look at that telephoto lens. He's literally in people's faces taking the pictures.
No, they're a small one.
He's in their faces, literally getting their
They're
pictures.
stuck.
Oh! How do they do that? Look at that one. That's going under. Look, that one's sinking. I can't believe this one.
They can't go anywhere, they're stuck, mate.
Oh,
Look at that one.
That one's actually sinking.
They can't move.
They can't move. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I changed my mind. I definitely want to do this.
It's expensive. They do them in groups, so you go on in groups. Oh yeah.
Guys, I feel so sad for these people. We've got these guys here. They've capsized, yeah. And then they're not.
They've run a.
Anymore,
They've run a.
Them over there. They were literally sinking. Half of it was tilt up like that. Everyone's peaked. Right.
How the hell did they get up there? How did they get up there like that?
It's so good though. I'm so gonna do this.
Hey, they're off. Woohoo!
This would be a badass vlog. You definitely have to have a GoPro on. Damn, man. So crazy.
Put it on 720 Super. So it should be a nice Panasonic. It's catching all that. I think the 720 Super is better than the 1080. The colour's so crisp, like, you know.
Look at them. It's getting a bit chilly now.
We'll walk down round. We might get some different shots, like, you know. So you got to be running and just catch some unexpected moments, isn't it? Let's get down here. It's getting a bit steep up there. Let's walk down. We're walking at the angle up there. got all these pumps underneath there, and they've got making it look like waves like that. Got all these big lumps of hard plastic that hits and creates the waves and things. You see it when it's in competition, they have all these things in like these, and they have to go through them like slalom, like skiers. You know what I mean? Like when skiers do it. Let's move on. Sure looks fresh, doesn't it? Whew. He's trying to go back up in there, look.
Huh?
He's trying to go back up. Back up.
Oh, that's not going to happen.
It's alright if you're like adrenaline freak. You really be buzzing, wouldn't it? Like, you know. Oh, they're capsizing again and getting full up with water there. They're going to regroup and get back in the boat, I think. What's funny, we've got some good ones, isn't it? Yeah. That's all right. Just doing, you know, stupid skateboarding, and he's getting all the praise and that, you know what I mean? This should be a good one.
That beeping noise.
There's some alarm, isn't it?
Right now, right here. With camera.
Yeah, they confiscate the camera and sorry, no filming. Here they come again. That's quite a picture down there, isn't it? Look at that. I tell you, I bet they not come down at such a speed when they're in these little canoes, like, you know. Sure looks fresh. Cafeteria bit here, should we have a cup of tea?
Mate, I'm getting really cold now.
Yeah, we get moving. Oh, this one coming out fast. Oh.
Tea's gone.
Oh, they're all jumping off.
Oh,
This must be where they depart. Yeah, that's where they get out. But I thought they go back in the boat normally. Nice cafeteria area. This is a massive place, isn't it? It's really expanded since I came here last. Got a seating area over there, all looks. Massive car park.
Trying to get a helpful snap picture.